Alright, so I thought something like this would do a good job of getting to those floor pans easier versus a standard cutoff wheel. So I might just go with the 3-inch wheel because we're not cutting very deep. I like that, but something I'm not going to use a lot of. 39 versus 129. Yeah, we'll make it work. Alright, so the smaller version worked every bit like a $39 cutoff would. So we're going to try the bigger version now. Alright, so if you're using a cutoff wheel a lot, using the traditional style cutoff wheel, there's a lot of things you can do with this one I found from Harbor Freight. So there's two models of this. So this works great. You're inside cutting floors, if you're under the vehicle doing things. Let me show you some of the things it can do. So check this tool out. Using that cutoff wheel, just like a 90-degree die grinder with a cutoff wheel, works really good. It slices right through all those sheet metal floors and everything else. And then it worked really good trimming up the floor pans that we bought to fit in the truck. Laid it out and it just sliced through that like just like hot knife through butter. We even did a good job on the new supports we put in for the cab mounts that the whole cab will sit on. So it was a little bit thicker, but it sliced right through it. So if you're putting in floors or working under your vehicle or anything like that, or you get a little reach, this little extended cutoff wheel, this is from Harbor Freight. These things work great. You see me, I've used it for the floors. I use it for under it as well. Kind of get you away from it. These are nice, but it's kind of hard to reach in around things. Where this, you can see the difference in how you'd reach everything. So I can actually get in and reach and cut. So this cutoff, it's I think $139 somewhere in there. I'll leave a link for these. But check out this Harbor Freight cutoff wheel, 4-inch wheels. It works really good, especially if you're doing floors or any kind of work under your vehicle. Check it out. I hope you like the new content. See you here for more stuff on this old swept line. See you there.